In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from the Nedbank app to a Capitec bank account, step by step. Open the Nedbank Money app and log in using your PIN or biometric authentication. From the home screen, tap on Payments. This is where you make transfers and manage beneficiaries. Tap New Payment or Make Payment, then select Add New under Account or Beneficiary. Choose Other Banks or Bank Transfer, then select Capitec as the receiving bank. Enter the Capitec account details, account name, account number, branch code, and bank name. Save the beneficiary so you can use it again for future transfers. Ingresa el monto, la referencia o descripción del pago y elige la cuenta Nedbank desde donde se debitará. Review all details carefully, then tap Confirm. Authenticate the transaction using your PIN or the OTP sent to your phone. You'll see a confirmation message once the transfer is successful. You can also check payments history to verify the transaction.